Sweetie, wake up. What? What do you want? Come on, I'm gonna wake up the kids. I'm gonna stay here and nap. No, this is the kids' chair to eat. Oh, yeah. Might go in the oven. If you want to burn. Whatever. Muffins? I definitely have to go in here. There we go. Jeez. Kids, time to wake up. I'm up. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, sweetie. I'm gonna go get breakfast ready. Will you wake up your sister? Of course. I would do anything for you, Mom. Aw, how sweet. I'll be right back. With your chairs and tables and everything. Okay. And I also need to get beautiful. Might take a while. Okay, looks like I gotta get Sis up. Sis? Sis, you gotta get up. It's time for school. No thanks. See, you're awake. Come on. Why'd you wake me up? I was having the best dream. Oh yeah? What was it about? I was swimming in a river of gravy. And ice cream fell from the sky. And it's my dream. Oh. Whatever. Meanwhile, in the oven, so delightful. Smells so delicious. Oh, this is so amazing. Oh. I never want to leave here. Ooh, is that ham? Back at the kids. Well, I guess I should get the chairs. You should. Okay. So boring. It's really comfortable here. Guess I'll just lay down on the rug and take a little nap. No one will know. Oh my goodness gracious. This oven food is amazing. What? Oven? Are you talking? I'm not the oven, I'm your father. My dad is a narwhal. I know. But maybe you should think about your dad being in here. I don't think so. Well, you're wrong. 'Cause open and find out. Okay. Dad, what are you doing in there? Ask your mother. Okay. beautiful now. Hi, Mom. Do I look beautiful or what? Huh? So, what do you think about my new lipstick? It's called Cherry Red. Nice. What is Dad doing in the oven? Oh, I don't know. I'll get him out. Good luck. Okay, time to get You're back, finally. Dad's in the oven. Oh no, that's bad, isn't it? I don't know. But I got the chairs. Or a chair. Okay. Mom's gonna bring in the tables. Okay. We should just move up. Oh. Meanwhile, with their mom. Okay, look at the tables. Tables. Children! Yeah? I got the tables. Here, take the tables. So when is breakfast going to be ready? Very shortly. I'll be right back with it. Oh boy. Sure is boring. Sure am starving. Meanwhile. Sweetie, you gotta get out now. It's time for me to give the children the muffins. I'll give you the muffins, but I'm not coming out. Looks like you have to come out. The muffins are the only things keeping you up. I'll try my hardest to stay in, as long as you don't wake me up, woman. Husbands. Oh my. Oh, it's stuck on my foot. My foot. Oh. Okay, got it out. Wait, I have to make sure it's not raw. Okay. You're not raw. Breakfast is ready. Woo! Okay, I'll give you each a muffin. Okay? Okay, Mom. Do you think this lipstick is too much? Be honest. You could wipe a little off. Yeah, no offense. Oh, none taken. Oh. If only there was no such thing as a comment section and leaving comments. There is. Just go up to that security camera in our house and tell them to do whatever you want. Oh. Hey, can you leave a comment down below saying, is this lipstick too much? Much better. Now the phone is red. I'm just joking, it's a camera. Okay, so, Quirky, here's your muffin. It's small, whatever. And here is your muffin. Oh, thank you. I'm going to go now. Goodbye. This sure looks good. Yeah. Oh. This is amazing. I know, right? It's crazy. Ugh. Sis? Yeah? You got a little something on your face. Oh, I'll get it. Ugh. What was that? I don't know. Here, can I kiss you just to see what my makeup looks like? Do it on the back of my head, and then wash it off. Meanwhile, this is so boring. We should spice things up a little bit. This should be a cliffhanger. I should leave you at a cliffhanger. Watch. Whoa! Someone save me! Really? No one? No one at all? Well, I guess since this isn't going anywhere, we should do a to be continued thing. So, to be continued. Bye. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and don't forget to watch the next part. See you guys later.